how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Yes, wearing black and white. It is time for another palette bingo, this time specifically with the highly anticipated Melt Cosmetics Halloween Town, Christmas Town, Nightmare Before Christmas collaboration palettes. I have been so looking forward to combining these two palettes. I love both of them. I love Melt Cosmetics. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like two of my favorite entities coming together, and I'm so excited to pair these together now. I've already done looks with both palettes. I've done YouTube videos and Instagram/YouTube shorts. If my Instagram/YouTube short with the Christmas Town isn't up yet, it should be up soon, but I'm pretty sure it'll be up before this bingo. But anyways, lots of looks already up individually, and now it is time to combine them, and I'm so super excited. I hope you enjoy this as well. I've been having fun with the bingos, and this was a fun one to do today. Before we get into it, as far as my accessories, you'll see them when the color comes, but it doesn't matter because they're black and white anyways, but this is just a basic choker. Don't know where it's from, but these little zero earrings are from 5 Lemons. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead, hop on in, do some palette bingo, play with these palettes. All right, hello. How's it going? We're gonna do a little bingo pairing these two cuties together. Oh, I'm so excited. I think these are gonna play so well together, and as soon as I saw a second one was even coming out, I was like, we're definitely doing a bingo. Here's what they look like next to each other. Christmas is at the top, Halloween is on the bottom. I think they're so super cute. I love these tones. Everything is so rich. Oh, I'm so excited. My main hope is that we get at least one of the toppers, like this one, or this one, because they're so pretty and sparkly. I'd maybe not want to get the white, but you know, we can make the white work. That can blend anything out. But other than that, I am stoked. We're gonna randomly generate 3 shades from each palette, making it 6 total, and we are gonna create a look today. So let me pull up my random number generator on Google. It's set 1 to 10, so we're gonna do Halloween first because that one came out first. We got shades 9, 1, and 6. We got 9 Oogie Boogie, 1 Bone Daddy, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Ragdoll. So far, I'm already super happy. Because right now I feel like this is already gonna be so cute because I could totally use that baby blue. Let me build that swatch up. I feel like that doesn't swatch very well. I feel like that baby blue could blend out that purple so pretty. And then that cute poppy yellow, like that could even be an inner corner highlight if we don't get something else. So far, so good. So let's do the Christmas Town palette now. We got shades 10, 2, and 5. We didn't get the white. 10, 2, and 5. So we got Smithereens. Cute. Sandy Claws. I love this shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bony Fingers. We didn't get one of the toppers, but I do love that metallic purple. All right, here's the vibe. I feel like we got very Christmas energy today. We got 2 shimmers. Likely that yellow is going to be my inner corner. I think that would be really pretty with probably that purple slathered all over the lid, which I haven't done yet. I used that purple on the lower lash line, but I haven't like really blown it out. Yeah, that's cute. I'll probably do like that dark purple into the red, and then I'll probably smoke the green and blue on the lower lash line. I think that could be really fun. So let me just gather my thoughts, gather my brushes, and then we will do some fun things. Okay, I think I have all of my ideas squared away. I'm gonna prime with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. I'm just gonna smear this on and blend it out. I hope you're doing super, super well, by the way. What are you up to? I don't know if this video is going up before or after Thanksgiving, so either way, happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. Thankful for you, thankful for this life, thankful for my cats, thankful for all the things. Thankful to be doing this palette bingo today. All right, so I want to start with just a little bit of Sandy Claws from the Christmas palette, that reddish, corally-ish kind of shade. I'm gonna use this Luxie 229. I'm grabbing literally just the tiniest bit, like I am barely like dipping in, and I'm just gonna start slowly building this up in the crease. These shades are so pigmented. So in this case, I really want to use this as my transition shade, blending the purple out. So I'm just using a very, very light hand, a very little amount, so I can build up a sheer wash of this color and then build it up more later. But only focusing this up here, it's not gonna touch the bottom at all. I want this to just stretch out in this general area. So far, that's already off to a great start. I mean, it's a sheer wash of a color. You can't really go wrong, but that's kind of where we're at. Now I'm just slowly building it up just a little bit. I want to get kind of a good base down before I go in with my dark purple, because that purple is pigmented. I want to make sure we have a good blend going. Very, very nice. We're gonna do the thing. Moving on now to Bone Daddy from the Halloween palette. I'm gonna use the Sigma brush. It's the Kristen Dominique Eyes and Nose Contour brush, but I use it as an eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna heavily pack this in that outer corner and just kind of build it up a little bit out here. But I do want this to cover like a good bit of my lid, and I want that purple shimmer to kind of just go over it. So I am gonna kind of like start kind of stretching this in toward the front as well. I'm not looking for it to like completely cover my lid or anything, but I do want like a good base, because I want it just to be a really blown out smoky purple moment blending into that red. I think that's gonna be so pretty. Really like this purple. It's so like dark, depthy. Almost acts as a black, honestly, but it's definitely like purple still. It's very, very cool. So I'm just kind of lightly inching that and doing light little motions, just kind of spreading this around before I start like going in with my other shade to blend it. But this is already doing so good. I'm glad I laid that first shade down first to like really kind of map out where I want this to be, because I didn't want this to get like overkill. Cute. We're off to a good start. I'm gonna take just a little bit of Sandy Claws now again. Again, I'm using tiny pressure. Like I'm not going in super heavy. And I'm just gonna very lightly kind of just do what I did before. Just like scoot it inner to outer, just using tiny little motions just to get that edge diffused and get it just nice and tapered out. All right, here's where we're at currently. I want to go ahead and do that lid. So I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer first. Just gonna grab a little dollop of it. I'm just gonna kind of pop it on both eyes. Not doing anything cut creasy today. I'm just doing, it's spread all over. I did think about doing like a cut creasy thing where it's like the yellow into the purple, but I don't know. I really want this purple to have its moment. Bony Fingers. Such a good shade. So I'm just gonna take that on my finger and I'm just gonna press this all over my lid. Ooh, it's so pretty. I really, really like that color. It's just so metallic. I like that a lot. It's so good. So just kind of taking and really spreading this like all over the lid. I just want this to blend into the crease. Just like that, basically. I'm just gonna go in now with just a little bit more of Sandy Claws, like barely any. And I'm just gonna run her along this edge too, just to, again, make sure everything is flowing from shimmer into matte nicely. Just wanna make sure we have a good gradient going on. Really like that pop of red coming out from that purple. I think that's really, really cute. So for that lower lash line, I really wanna smoke out that green. I'm gonna start with this Idyllic Pencil from Colourpop. And I'm just gonna run this all up in my lower waterline. Just get it super smudgy. I just want like a really smoky, dark green moment. I think it's gonna be so super cute. I'm just gonna take this A12 pencil brush from Spectrum and I'm just gonna smudge at the edge of that pencil. I don't have any product on this brush. I just wanna get it a little smooth before we go in with shadow. I already just love seeing that dark green on the lower lash. I think that's really cute. So going in with Smithereens now. I think this is one of the shades I haven't used yet, so I'm really excited to. I'm just using that same Spectrum brush. And I'm just gonna tuck this really close to that lower lash line, basically just covering all of that liner, except for in my waterline specifically, obviously, but just like all over that lower lash. Just getting that really, really smoked out. Especially in this outer corner, you guys know I like a heavier outer corner. I think it's really cute, so I'm just gonna drag that as well. I'm also gonna take the brush I used with Bone Daddy and just make sure that we have a good merge between the green and the purple in that very outer corner. I don't really have any additional product. I'm just kind of tapping. Then last matte, I'm gonna take Ragdoll from the Halloween palette. This is a Spectrum B07. This is specifically from the Nightmare Before Christmas collection, actually. I'm just gonna grab some of that. I'm just gonna blend the very edge of this green. Honestly, I like the green by itself, but the Palette Bingo gods want us to use this blue, so we're gonna use the blue. I'm focusing it mostly in this outer area, something to kind of connect the green with the purple. I actually think that's a cute little pop. It's subtle but effective. It is doing its thing. So I just want to make sure it's having its little moment out there. And then last but not least, we have Oogie Boogie. That's going to be my inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to take my little pinky and I'm going to press it in that inner corner. Actually, I think that's quite charming. That's a cute little look. I feel like I look like grungy Christmas right now. It's like grungy Christmas lights. I really like this. Yeah, this is the bingo situation that we have going on. I'm pretty happy with it. I like these colors. I like the way they all play together. I think this is fun. Are you gonna be mad if I add more shades? I mean, this is the bingo. This is the bingo complete. I'm happy with it. I would be totally fine throwing on mascara, going about my day, but I'm just itching to play with these toppers. So I am gonna take just a little bit of Sugar Plum Visions, just a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna press this all over the top, just for some extra sparkle magic. Oh yeah. Just the shine that gives, it's everything. So I'm not cheating. I'm just doing more. The bingo was complete. It just simply can't be stopped. I had to do more. I just had to. And then Experiments, I'm gonna take that and also pop that in my inner corner. Just gonna load it up. It's so pretty. Just so sparkly. And I'm also gonna tap this all over my brow bone. I feel like I can't not use these palettes without using these toppers from the Christmas palette. They're my favorites. They're so pretty. I'm even gonna pop it all up in my brows, do like a little sparkle brow action, because it's festive and fun and sparkly and I just love it. So now I feel better. There's just some extra sparkle going on and I love it. So now I'm going to actually go off camera, do my lashes, lipstick, all that good stuff. And then I'll be back when I'm complete. Here's the final look. I love this. Obviously I added a couple face crystals just to continue on the sparkle train. Just did mascara today. I actually tried a new one. I only use waterproof mascara because that's the only thing that can hold my stubborn straight lashes into somewhat of a curl. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher waterproof. And this one I feel like is not very good with holding the curl. Like my lashes are drooping so much and I've curled them twice, did 2 rounds. Usually I can get a little more lift with my lashes than this, so I don't know, I'll play with that one some more, but I don't know if that one will be my favorite. I like the CoverGirl one in the orange tube more. I forget what it's called, but it's in an orange tube. So yeah, just mascara. And then on my lips, I went with the Carnage pencil from Unearthly, and then the Melt Cosmetics Attitude gloss from the Zodiac collection last year on top. I just wanted something kind of pinky purple, iridescent. I felt like it went with the crystals. I feel like it pulled from that like reddish pop. Overall, I really like this look, so let's zoom out and finish this up. Thanks so much for watching my video, for hanging out for this bingo. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this look? Would you have done something similar if you got these shades? Would you have done something super different? Would this bingo have stumped you? I would love to know. I'd also love to know which of these palettes you prefer. Do you own any of them? Do you own both of them? Which one do you like the most? If I had to pick, I love the Halloween Town one, but this Christmas Town one, these topper shades just make my heart so happy. They're just so wet looking and sparkly. I'm glad I added that little bit of extra because it didn't take away from the bingo at all. It just added some extra glitter and I needed to have it. But both palettes make me really happy. I'm super happy they exist. I will cherish them forever. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some random Christmas and Halloween emojis, like emoji bingo style, but on theme with the Halloween and Christmas. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm battybean there as well. And also feel free to subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. Also feel free to join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only video once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.